Dasol is really a dazzling place in the west of Pangasinan. Sa katunayan, dito matatagpuan ang nag-iisang theme park dito sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Tara at samahan ninyo akong pasyalan ang Dasoland Resort here on your official travel guide, TraveldotCom.
Owned by Minardo Jimenez, Dasoland is an adventure park of 68 hectares located in Barangay San Vicente of Dasol. The park and resort is part of the Carolina Mango Farm, a 408-hectare mango plantation of 3,500 full-grown mango trees. It was launched in March 2011 as a tourist destination and venue for field trips, cultural and educational activities.
Parang ranch.
Ranch.
Oo. Dito yung mga cattle nila, horses. So yun ang plan before. Hanggang Mr. Minardo Jimenez started na mag-plant ng mga different types of trees, especially sa mga mango. Hanggang all of a sudden, nagkaroon sila na naging na napuno ng dumami yung mango trees. Just up to now around coming up for 4,000 plus na.
All fruit bearing.
Yes.
Dasoland Family Adventure Park is situated in the town of Dasol, Pangasinan. It is a half-an-hour drive away from Alameda City, the home of 100 Islands, and a 5-hour trip from Metro Manila via Victory Liner or 5-star buses. There are 16 great reasons why you should choose Dasoland. One of its prides is the interactive zoo with fascinating birds, mammals, and reptiles. Siguradong mag-e-enjoy ang inyong mga anak sa pamamasyal dito sa naturang zoo. Ipinagmamalaki rin ng Dasoland ang kanilang Farmers Museum kung saan matatagpuan ang mga tradisyonal na pansakang kagamitan na kasingtanda ng ating mga ninuno. Among them, you will find the different models of sugarcane crushers used in the late 60s. Sa aming pag-iikot, aming natagpuan ang Jimenez Family Private Collection. Tada! A collection of items ranging from Barbie dolls and toys to Coca-Cola and McDonald's collectibles and novelty decors from different countries really filled my eyes. Nang mistulang bata, tuloy ulit kami dito. Sulit talaga ang pagbisita namin dito sa Dasoland sapagkat hindi lang isa, kundi napakaraming pwedeng pasyalan at tiyak na mag-e-enjoy ka. Pagkatapos namin pumunta sa Jimenez Family Private Collection, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Santa Claus Village. Santa Claus Village is one of the country's largest and most beautiful collections of Santa Claus figures and toys under one roof. Labas pa lang ng Santa Village, nagkalat na ang mga Santa figures. Matutuwa ka dahil sa iba't ibang posisyon ni Santa sa labas. May nakasabit, may nakaupo, nakaparachute at iba pa. Can't think of a better venue for Christmas parties than this. Busog na ba ang mga mata nyo? Siguradong mas mamamangha kayo sa susunod nating pupuntahan. We are here at the Butterfly Garden, which attracts tourists here in Dasoland. It has its fascinating and colorful species that amuse photographers and butterfly enthusiasts. The garden bed includes annuals, perennials, shrubs, and ground covers, temperate and tropical. There's also a puddling area with stone benches for basking and for taking photographs. Dumako naman tayo sa Ifugao Village and Museum. Dito makikita ang mga makalumang kasuotan ng mga Ifugao. There's an Ifugao hut made from usual native materials, cogon grass for roofing, pine and narrow wood for walling, floorboards and bamboo needs for ceiling. Punta naman tayo sa cactus house na koleksyon ni Mrs. Jimenez. Dito natin makikita ang iba't ibang klase ng cactus. We have a delightful exhibit of a great variety of succulent plants that never fail to amuse our young guests with their funny spiky shapes and forms. Hindi makukumpleto ang pagbisita nyo sa Dasoland kung hindi nyo mapupuntahan ang The Villa. It is a traditional Filipino haciendero mansion with 19th century Philippine architecture, interior, and furniture. Great for special occasions, wedding anniversaries, Filipiniana pictorial, and location shooting.
We are inviting you to come and visit us at Dasoland Family Adventure Park located at Barangay San Vicente, Dasol, Pangasinan, just 45 minutes away from Alaminos, Pangasinan. Don't forget to check our website at www.dasolandresort.com and like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/dasolandresort. For further information, call and text us at 0917-869-8228 and 0917-869-9560. Thank you!
Another day full of excitement and adventure is over. It is really more fun here in the Philippines. Join me again in discovering hidden treasures of Pangasinan here on Talk TV Global's Travel.com.